Hello friends, welcome to Electronics for You. In this tutorial, I will explain bit-oriented instructions, also known as Boolean instruction in 8051 microcontroller. So these are the types of operands. Basically, operands may be the register, may be an internal or external memory address. The memory can be data memory or program memory, or any special function registers can also be the operand, or it may be a data byte also itself. So here these these are the A register, B register, then R0 to R7 registers are there, then DPTR, program counter, then data memory and program memory. All these are the data byte type of operand, means they can be directly accessed by the byte instructions. But in 8051, some instructions are bit operated also, and therefore we will need bit operands there. The most important bit operand is carry flag. It is a flag in a PSW, that is the program status word register. So here carry flag is just similar to that of accumulator, which generally take part in logical instructions. Now the second type of a bit operand is nothing but bit. Here we will use bit as our operand, but these bit are nothing but the bit addressable IO pins, then control registers, or status bits. For example, we have already gone through some this internal memory organization. Here you can see that there are some registers, that is register R0 to R7, and these registers are divided into 4 different register banks. Okay, now look at this section. The second section was the bit oriented instruction. It is starting from 20 to 2 and ending to 2F. If we multiply this by 8, that is, these are the bytes, okay, and we are having 16 bit addressable register. So 16 times 8 will be totally here 128, and therefore we can say that its address starts from 00 and ends to 7F. 7F is the hexadecimal number, and if we convert it into the decimal, we will get 128. So this is the location where we can use the bit address also. So SFR can be bit addressable, then ports are bit addressable, and accumulator is also bit addressable registers. Overall we can say that these are the bit operands. Now let us go through the Boolean operations. The first one is CLR, that is clear. Okay, clear literally means 0. Okay, now there are two types of clear instruction. One is CLRC, that is clear the carry flag, that is CY flag is written here. Then another one is the CLR, and we can write any bit. As I have already explained, bit can be an accumulator, maybe a special function register, or maybe any bit of a port. Here P1.1 means port 1's first pin, that is the clear instruction, and by this P1.1, that is the first pin of port 1, will be automatically be cleared, that is it will be set to 0. Similarly here carry flag is equals to 0, that is the meaning of CLRC. In the same way, another instruction which is exactly opposite to that of clear is set B, which clearly means the set bit. Here again set a bit or a carry flag. Okay, so in this case set B A.2 means accumulator's second bit will be set to 1. Okay, A.2 will be set to 1, and here carry flag will be set to 1 if we use set B C instruction. Next instruction is complement instruction, that is CPL. CPL means complement. It will complement the bit indicated or a carry flag. CPL C means if previously C is equals to 0, then it will be complemented to 1, or if it is set to 1, then it will be complemented to 0, and likewise. Here next one is CPL 40H. I have just shown you the bit addressable register. Here bit address for this register is 40, as we can have 00 to 7F address there. So 40H is the address of this bit address, and we can complement that particular bit by using CPL instruction. So all these are the Boolean operations which are clear, SETB and CPL. Now next one is related with Boolean operation, but these are the logical ones. So ANL, that is the AND logical. Now there are two types of ANL instructions. Basically again it is literally means and the bit with carry flag. Okay, and a bit with carry flag, just same as that of accumulator, because we generally use mathematical, that is arithmetic and logical instructions along with the accumulator in byte operation, whereas in Boolean operations we use carry flag here, and these are the two AND instructions. Here ANL C comma bit means the carry flag and this bit indicated is ANDed. Okay, and ANL and logically, okay, C comma slash bit. Okay, it means here first complement the bit, that is first it will be bit complemented, okay, and then the AND operation will take place, and whatever the result will be there, it will be stored into the carry flag. Okay, results will be in carry flag. Okay, this is AND instruction. Similar instruction is OR instruction. So this is OR a bit with a carry flag, simply means ORL C bit means it will OR the content of C and bit. Okay, C and bit will be ORed. Similarly here the bit will be complemented first, and then it will be OR with the carry flag, and result will be stored in carry flag in both cases. So this is the OR operation. We have already gone through the complement operation, which is nothing but the NOT operation. The next one is the move instruction, again one of the most important, that is similar to that of move instruction, which is used in data byte instruction. It is just mean copying. Okay, and the format for move is move destination comma source. So basically source is written on the right hand side, whereas destination is written on the left hand side here. Then it will transfer the data between a bit and a carry flag. The instruction may be move C comma bit or move bit comma C. Here it is the source which is indicated to the right hand side, and it will copy the content of this bit into carry flag. Similarly, move bit comma C means now carry flag is having content, and it will be copied to the bit whichever is indicated here. Other instructions are, these are the related with branching operations also. I will not explain it in detail, but simply here JC means jump on carry. If carry flag is set, then it will jump. JNC means jump on no carry. If carry flag is not set, then it will jump, means program counter's address will be changed to a particular address, and then program control will shift to that particular address. Similarly JB, that is jump on bits and jump on no bits are also there. Then jump on bit and clear that particular bit is also this instruction that is indicated here by JBC. I will explain it in the branch operation. Right now all these are the different Boolean instructions here in case of 8051 microcontroller. Friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on the like button and share this with your friends. If you are having any doubt, please comment. Thank you.